this afternoon in CIDEB News. The contributions of chemistry in medicine are more than we thought. The applications of chemistry in food exist since ancient times. Chemistry is also in warfare. Our world is dying because of the global warming, and what can we do to solve the problem? My name is Lourdes Vázquez, and I am glad that you are watching this program.
Hello, welcome to CIDEB News. Let's start with Denisse. Why is chemistry important in the application of medicine? Let's go with the research of Denisse about this.
Thank you, Lourdes. Chemistry is a good part of medicine. Not only do you need understanding of it to become a doctor, but it is also about diagnostic and treatment too. The importance of chemistry lies in developing and testing new medical treatments, and yours can help on her. Chemistry departments in hospital medical labs play an important and valuable role, analyzing substances such as blood and urine for proteins, sugars, and other metabolic and inorganic substances. They are able for looking problems such as diabetes, short for offering an early prognosis, and cure potentially life-threatening diseases.
Amazing! Now Lourdes is going to explain the importance of chemistry in food.
Now I'm going to talk about the applications of chemistry in food. Chemical reactions occur all around us in the world. Many food preparations and baking processes include chemical reactions. For example, I'm going to tell you a story. Record shows that Egyptians were baking bread as far back as 2,500 years ago, and they were curious, why does the bread sponge like this? Then years later, at medieval age, scientists discovered that these chemical reactions occur because the cells of the yeast, when it contacts with warm water, release a chemical gas called carbon dioxide and ethanol. Those gases make little air pockets that sponge out, and that makes the bread looks like this.
Wow, that's something that we usually don't know. Now, our expert in warfare, Campos, is going to talk about chemistry in this area.
First of all, warfare is a struggle between two nations. Chemistry is related with it because these nations use the bad side of chemistry. They use the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. Obviously, these weapons are different from conventional or nuclear weapons because they act like potions on the human system. Now, we're going to travel back in time to the First World War, where chemical warfare was introduced by Frenchies using gases such as tear gases, the ethyl bromoacetane, or the chloroacetane. But the first full-scale deployment of death was during the Second War of Ypres, where Germans attacked the Allied forces with chlorine gas. Then during the Second World War, it was primarily the development of nerve gases that attacked the nervous system.
Vanessa is ready to talk about one of the biggest problems in the world, the global warming, and the relation of chemistry in this area.
Hello Lourdes and everyone from CIDEB News. Today I'm reporting at this gorgeous Mexican beach, and our topic is chemistry and the global warming. Nowadays, the global warming term is very common because the global warming is already on the way with consequences that must be faced today as well as tomorrow. It is a severe problem caused by human emissions of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, tropospheric ocean, chlorofluorocarbons, water vapor, etc. We have to stop these emissions. And why is chemistry related with the global warming? Well, because of those gases that make chemical changes that leads to physical changes, such as the melting of the polar ice caps, hotter summers, colder winters, and the rising of the sea levels. So if we continue doing the stuff that we're doing, like burning of the fossil fuels, contamination, industries, pesticides, and fertilizers, tomorrow we can have stuff like this gorgeous beach that is behind me. So every daily action that we make is contributing to a better or worse future. Time is running out, so we have to think about the actions that we're doing and correct them in order to have a greater future. Thank you.
Like that is a major problem, Yackeline is going to bring 3 solutions to reduce the damage.
3 possible solutions for global warming. First, reduce the use of the products that cause greenhouse gases. It is a level country. Second, create campaigns like I'm doing right now. This level community. Finally, we need to use the bike for short distances because we need to save the world. It is a level individual.
And finally, our team's conclusion.
Chemistry is essential for understanding much of the natural world
and enriches many other scientific disciplines that focus on living organisms and their interaction with the physical world.
Most of the people don't recognize it, but chemistry and chemical compounds are crucial in almost everything we eat, use, and wear.
Most of the bases of chemistry are favorable for us finding the cure of the most diseases, development of nutrient for Perez.
But also we must be concerned about the negative effects, such as the application of it on warefare,
or the increasing of chemical gases that leads to the global warming. Climate change is real, it is happening and it has direct consequences. We have to come together and change the world for the better.
The best we can do is to make the most of the positive side of this great science.